Our people, based on the Champions League wey dey go on, 1xbet don carry promo wey dem dey call Champions Seasons come o. E go get more than 2,000 winners. If you wan follow for this promo, first of all, make sure say you register with our promo code GNEXT to get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Then go for the promo page, press take part. On how you place bets wey pass 3,000 inside any Champions League match, dem go give you promotional tickets. Remember say as the money wey you dey take bet dey increase, na so the tickets dey increase join. Na these tickets dem go use do draw, where you fit win $5,000 cash, 5,000 bonus points, and $100 free bets. Read the terms and conditions before you start o, and try to dey always bet with sense. Good luck.
My people, una welcome to the Football Banter Show.
Today, table of content include Naija wey finally gree for Ivory Coast.
Chai! Shebi I talk am.
Thomas Tuchel and Bayern Munich.
They don sack that one already. Na his skeleton remain for Munich.
Arsenal don go open bottling company for another branch. What? Just so in case dem need to bottle anything.
That one na normal thing na. E be like say money dey that business pass the football club.
No! The two business na major. Dem dey work hand in hand.
Interesting.
And finally, Naija don finally gree for Ivory Coast.
You don talk that one before na.
Some things, dem need to talk am 2 times for proper understanding.
Chai! Hey yeah, e get one of my Naija friends wey dey live for Cote d'Ivoire. Dem wan use French kill am. The guy call me tell me say the biggest mistake he ever do na to learn French.
I wan sympathize with Nigerians o, but every time wey I attempt to do am, I go remember say if na dem win AFCON, Africa as we know am for cease to exist, and then for pursue or enslave other African countries.
And online for catch fire, unquenchable fire. But them shall try. At least they win Amapiano Cup. Most countries don't even win anything.
But wetin really do Naija for that finals? Them not really play anything. Hello? Who be this and where you dey call from?
My name is Kelewu from Nigeria. Me, I no really want to because I no wan lose control. But you see that Iwobi ba, make I no catch am for Lagos. You must explain give me how he take be professional footballer.
But he no fit na. Even if he explain tire, he no get evidence. If no be fake life, wetin concern Iwobi with football?
But I don't coach the boy for everything. Na good footballer. Na just say he no get the right people around am.
Had even you dey in front of me tell that thing now ba, I would have given you a very dirty slap.
It's like you no get respect.
Make I help you slap am.
Try am na.
You wey no sabi the basics of coaching. How you wan take sabi good player?
Respect yourself o.
You respect yourself. When you go talk say Iwobi na good player. Person wey dey help Cote d'Ivoire control our midfield. Till today I still dey wonder how he take dey related to Okocha.
You play pass
I
am.
go wipe your Rimo cut from here.
Your father left kidney.
Why you cut the corner?
Which kind dirty question be that? You know see say the guy na toxic guy.
Are you come pure?
Get out of here, Joe. Like say na only Iwobi no play better ball. Chukwueze play better ball.
That one na small boy na.
Small boy fire. Abeg I no wan talk Naija matter again. Next on the menu na Tuchel and Bayern Munich.
Low-key, I dey proud of Tuchel. You know wetin e mean to do wetin other coaches no fit do?
Abeg no lost me. Wetin im dey do?
For how many years now Bayern don enslave Bundesliga? Tuchel fit no be hero of Bayern, but na hero of Bundesliga. I respect him mission and vision for a more competitive league.
Shey your head dey pain you.
Hello, who be this?
I be Hitler from Munich.
Eh?
Hitler.
Hitler junior brother Abi in descendant.
No, my real name na Lanta, but my friends dey call me Hitler.
Why?
I no dey take nonsense.
That is, you no dey gree for anybody.
Something like that.
Don't worry, you go soon collect.
Why you dey call?
I wan use this medium take one Tuchel. Bet wey suppose land me 50 million. I ain't cut am.
Naija no got am.
I put Naija to score first.
Oh, okay.
But if I catch Tuchel for anywhere ba, God knows say he must pay my money.
No worry, I go relay your message. Some people save. Before I forget, Fabrizio talk say Liverpool don contact Xabi Alonso.
Make him go Liverpool, he go fit am. Me, I dey go buy am.
Abeg o, no try am. I don submit my CV already.
Thank God say your CV no get value.
Yeah, Papa, you are a very useless man.